it did, and that scared me. And then I do, and love, and has come.
Starting. So I'm currently getting my stuff right now, and quite. Oh my God! It's sirens. It's a siren. Yo, we have to get out. We have to get out right now. Get your stuff. Get out. Get out right now.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma metropolitan area. This is not a test. At 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, the dangerous bug has made its way into the central part of the U.S. and is currently causing cataclysmic damage across the United States. In addition, over 100 million fatalities were made, and nearly half of the U.S. has been consumed by this blow, and it is only a matter of time before the entire central United States will be destroyed. All remaining residents in the entire state of Oklahoma are requested to take immediate evacuation. Do not pick up loved ones from schools, hospitals, and restaurants, as they have their own evacuation procedure. If you see the blow in your area, turn to the opposite direction as fast as possible. As time goes on,
Christmas hasn't died. Christmas will die.
please stand by. We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVUEDT. We will continue to serve the New Orleans area. If you are not in this local area, tune to news stations for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New Orleans area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Around 10 minutes ago, there have been multiple reports of the sky going from day to almost pitch black. There have also been reports of a strange and unknown figure in the sky. This figure is very hostile at this moment. You can identify this figure